iOS 27 Beta 1 is here, and it brings some of the biggest iPhone customization features ever. From AI-powered lock screens to giant widgets and smarter wallpapers, here's everything you need to see. New customizable iOS 27 wallpaper. Every major iOS update brings a brand new wallpaper. But this year, Apple took customization to the next level. Instead of giving users just a single, fixed design, iOS 27 lets you fully personalize the wallpaper color to match your style. You can choose almost any color you want. Want a blue iPhone aesthetic? Done. Prefer red, purple, or black? You can switch between colors in just a few taps. iOS 27 can also automatically match the wallpaper to your iPhone's color, creating a much more seamless and personalized look across the entire device. And Apple didn't stop there. Apple also added a dynamic mode. The wallpaper colors can automatically shift and change, creating a more animated and premium appearance throughout the day. For users who love customizing their devices, this feature alone is a game changer. AI Wallpaper Extension. Have you ever found the perfect photo for your lock screen, only to realize it doesn't fit properly? Maybe your subject gets cropped out. iOS 27 finally fixes that problem. Thanks to Apple Intelligence, your iPhone can now intelligently extend wallpapers. The system analyzes the image and generates extra content to fill the missing areas. The result? A perfectly fitted wallpaper without awkward cropping. The new mini clock option. Apple is also giving users more freedom with lock screen clocks. In previous versions, the clock often dominated the entire screen. Now, iOS 27 introduces a compact clock style. The clock can become much smaller and sit neatly near the date area. This creates significantly more space for wallpapers. If you love showing off photos, landscapes, cars, pets, or artwork on your lock screen, this feature makes a huge difference. The overall setup looks cleaner, more modern, and less cluttered. Liquid glass is finally better. One of the most talked about features in iOS 27 is the improved liquid glass design. And now, Apple gives you more control over it. Inside Settings, you'll find a new transparency slider. This allows you to choose how strong the liquid glass effect appears. Want a crystal clear, futuristic look? Move the slider toward transparency. Prefer a stronger tinted appearance? Adjust it the other way. The best part is that you can preview everything before applying it. This gives every user the ability to create a unique visual style. Huge, full-screen widgets. Now let's talk about what might be the most exciting feature in this update. Massive widgets. For the first time, widgets can take up an entire page on your home screen. Imagine opening your iPhone and seeing weather information across the entire display, or your calendar, or your fitness progress, or even your entertainment. Everything becomes easier to read, more useful. Updated liquid glass icons. Another subtle but important change is the redesign of app icons. At first glance, they may look familiar, but look closer. Apple has rebuilt many icons around the new liquid glass aesthetic. The reflections, the transparency, everything feels more polished. The changes become especially noticeable when using colored icon modes. The entire home screen feels more modern and cohesive. So far, iOS 27 Beta 1 looks incredibly promising.